Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you are new to Python or just looking to set it up on your Windows system, you are in the right place. In this video, we will walk through the simple steps to download and install Python so you can start coding in no time. By the end of this video, you will be ready to write your first Python program and have all the tools you need to expand your skills. Let's get started. To download Python installer, first let's head over to the official Python website at python.org. Then simply click on Downloads. The file should start downloading immediately. Once download is complete, run the installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This step is crucial for being able to use Python from the command line. Then click on Install Now to proceed with the setups. For those of you who want more control over the installation, you can click on Customize Installation. Here you can choose optional features like documentation and the IDLE Python ID, which can be helpful for beginners. The installation is complete. Now open your command prompt and type python -- version to confirm that Python was installed correctly. If you see the version number displayed, congratulations, you have successfully installed Python. Now open the IDLE and write your first program. Let's use the built-in print function like print and hello there. And this function will print out hello there. Congratulations! And there you have it. Installing Python on Windows is that simple. Now you are all set to dive into coding and explore what Python can do. Whether you are building web applications, automating tasks, or getting into data science, Python is a powerful tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy coding, and see you in the next video. Thank you.